Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here in that box. This is a special device and comes by Gardiner. It's a smart gateway. Connection device for smart products and wireless connection for the smart system. The number of that device is 19005-28. The essential accessory for connecting smart products. Convenient and control via the app. Indispensable. The smart gateway is the centerpiece of the smart system and forms the essential central intelligence. Central interface, of course. With here a high performance device, the Gardiner smart products are connected wirelessly and linked to the router via WLAN or LAN cable. From everywhere, it's possible to communicate, whether at home or on a holiday or vacation. This accessory allows us to control all the Gardiner smart products via our app. And it's energy efficient. Connection of the smart products, the internet and the app in small to large gardens. Of course, the Gardiner Smart Gateway is an indispensable connection element for using the app-controlled Gardiner Smart products. Indispensable for intelligent garden maintenance. The gateway is essential for our system components, for wireless and secure connection to the smart garden device from Gardiner. The smart gateway is the ideal piece of equipment. It establishes contact with the internet router, either via the included local area networking cable or a wireless LAN. The device can be controlled from anywhere via the user-friendly and free smart mobile phone app. Whether mowing the lawn or watering the garden, with this smart system, gardening has ever been so relaxed and powerful and efficient, even over a long distance. With an even great range that the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, this small device establishes a stable connection even in large gardens. The network components with a high-performance antenna generates an energy-efficient but not less powerful radio connection of 868 MHz. It does not matter where the router is placed. The controller can be managed as a smart system from the house or easily toward the garden. And the data protection and the security of the Gardiner system is really cool because smart gardening products makes gardening and irrigation so much easier. To ensure that this process is relaxed and safe for all the gardening fans, Gardiner provides a high level of safety. The data from the smart product and the gateway are transmitted in encrypted form. This ensures secure and protected data traffic throughout the entire system. And for optimal and energy-efficient garden maintenance, thanks to the 868 MHz radio technology, the battery-powered garden tools can also be operated very efficiently, which means that the battery can last for a full season. And performance, quality, and durability, that's Gardiner. Its smart gateway is an essential connection device for connecting the smart products to the internet to ensure that the top quality essential product can provide many years of service in the garden. The Gardiner provides, of course, a big warranty. After registration, we can make this on the internet within 3 months after purchase. The warranty conditions will gain. That's cool. And that device is lightweight with only 347 grams. There's 0.76 a pound. The dimensions of 13.5 centimeter. These are 5.3 inches to 17 centimeter. These are 6.69 inches. And you can use this as a heart of the smart system. Because the smart gateway allows radio connection to the smart Gardiner devices, even in large and big gardens. And of course, it's easy to use. The router connection works via LAN or Wi-Fi and device control via app. Job's done. And it's strong and efficient. The model provides an energy efficient, strong 868 MHz radio connection with a long range. And the energy efficiency is big boy. Battery powered device can also be operated thanks to the radio technology and secure data transmission. The data traffic is encrypted and protected. Ensure a good connection and a safe connection. That's all possible with that device to get entered into the smart family, the smart Gardena family, with the smart gateway connection device for smart products like a mower or other device for watering the system, the garden system, and so on. That's the entry, the key to come into that club with that smart gateway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback in the hope to see you again on my channel. And it's so easy. You only have to do is make a local area network cable connection. Wait a little bit, job's done. They go step by step by the app. Yeah.